Hello Vemma team, BK Boreyko. Welcome to this week's video blog, and I've got an exciting topic for you. At least it's exciting to me because it talks about the results people are getting with the Vemma formula. But before I get into that, I want to give a special shout out to Mr. Mike Walker of thewalkerproject.com. He made me my own surfboard, my own Verve surfboard. Now I just got to learn how to surf, but I'm ready to go. So let me talk to you a little bit about two things that we did that I'm extremely proud of, and that is two clinical studies. It is rare in the wellness industry that a company will do clinical studies simply because they're not required. But to have two clinical studies done on the Vemma formula and have them published in peer-reviewed journals is absolutely huge. The first one was published in the August 2009 edition of the Journal of Medicinal Food, and the second one, October 14th, 2009 edition of the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry. And what I'm excited about with this is that it documents the testimonies, the thousands, tens of thousands of testimonies that we've all heard about this tremendous Vemma formula, and tells us what it's actually doing inside the body. And let me give you just a couple of highlights here. The first study is called, and I don't know who comes up with the titles of these studies, obviously not movie producers, The Effect of Mangosteen Dietary Supplement on Human Immune Function, a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. And this study examined the C-reactive protein response and immune regulatory response within the body. It involved 29 men, 30 women, ages 40 to 60, all healthy individuals. The subjects were divided randomly into two groups. One had the Vemma formula, 2 ounces of the Vemma formula a day. The other one had a placebo. The trial took place over a 30-day period of time. After the baseline blood tests were in, and then the blood work was done 30 days later, what the researchers were looking for was changes in the blood relating to C-reactive protein, which is an inflammation marker, and immunity. And C-reactive protein is an important health blood marker, and we want to be able to prove that we help support healthy C-reactive protein levels. And what this clinical study proved is that within 30 days, our product is clinically proven to be able to significantly boost the immune system and significantly lower C-reactive protein levels in the body. The icing on the cake was that 100% of the respondents, or the participants in the Vemma group, said at the end of the trial that they all had very favorable results, most saying that they felt a lot healthier taking the product. And I recently saw a competitive mangosteen juice supplier do an inflammation study with obese people, and I excitedly got the study, ordered it up, read through it, and what I discovered is that it was an 8-week study, and during that 8-week study they had the participants consume 18 ounces, there you go, almost a whole bottle of mangosteen juice over an 8-week period of time to significantly reduce inflammation levels in their participants. And our little 2-ounce Vemma over a 30-day period of time had significant reduction in C-reactive protein levels and also boosted the immune system. And so I'm excited because what that tells me is it tells me that we have the most powerful mangosteen juice-based product, the most complete liquid nutrition program available anywhere, and clinical trials are able to back that up. Now let me talk to you a little bit about the final study that we did, and this study was called Bioavailable and Antioxidant Effects of Xanthone-Rich Mangosteen Product in Humans, and this was designed to measure the overall bioavailability. You've heard me talk a lot about when you're looking at a supplement, it's not what's on the label that's important. It's what your body absorbs that is so important. And that's exactly what this trial was out to prove. And the trial took place over a 24-hour period of time. The individuals were given, all healthy individuals were given one 2-ounce one 2-ounce dose of the Vemma formulation. And what it found is after 4 hours, they did a baseline blood draw, and then they did several blood draws throughout this 6-hour trial. And what they found is after 4 hours, the antioxidant level, the ORAC level in the body peaked at a 10% increase. And actually the ORAC materialized within the blood after just 1 hour and maintained an elevated saturation levels for 6 hours. Now, 6 hours was the last blood draw, so I wish we would have gone further, but the study protocol didn't call for that. And in the placebo group, there was no change in the blood serum was observed. And based on these results, the researchers concluded that the Vemma formula is extremely bioavailable, consequently helping to wage war against serious health challenges. And folks, I am so proud to be able to arm you with this clinical evidence to let you know that this product will get results in people's bodies. All we have to do is get it into people's bodies. And that's what I count on you, my brand partners, to be able to do. Get this product, spread the word, get people consuming the Vemma formula. Let the formula do the heavy lifting. Let it get the results, and everything else will look after itself. And that's it, folks. Keep up the great work. I am proud of the job you're doing. I will looking forward to talking to you next week. Bye for now.